Thunder, Perfect Mind, the poem of Gnosis. This is a Coptic manual found in the Nag Hammadi Library that will be discovered in 1945, originating from the 4th century, but the poem goes back at least 2,000 years old, with many calling it the poem of the universe. The writer of the poem is unknown, but it is believed it was a female speaking through the voice of many divine goddesses. Yet it is highly linked to Christianity, but it would be its Da Vinci Code vibe of using contradicting riddles to duel the mind of the listener. The text considers herself a female goddess, so that of like Isis, Sophia, above all, even Kali. Like most Gnostic texts, the text contradicts itself, but this one does it purposely, making God male, but female. Saying things like, those who seek me ignore me, and those who ignore me seek me. That's what would make it so popular. The riddles only those of the wise can understand. I shall be sharing with you some of its mysteries, breaking down some of its strange metaphors. Christ sent me this through discernment. Though it be Gnostic, God be in it.